Hi Sushant, Urf Nattu, Urf Mundu. Until now, you have seen the warm hearted and sweet side of all your family members, saying nice, loving things about you. Lo behold, the curtains rise now to the real you. Enjoy!
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार।
साले कुत्ते कमीने, happy 40th birthday. Can't believe you've already hit the 40-year mark. Very excited for your birthday. आज तो वीडियो में ना काफी कुछ सुनेगा कि नट्टू is so nice, so warm, helps everyone, ये वो, all the good things. सब इग्नोर कर. I know you since we were in kindergarten. तेरी असलियत सिर्फ मैं ही जानता हूँ. So, please don't take all the good things too seriously. On the same front, सब लोग बोलेंगे कि, he accomplished so much in life, engineering किया, I am, you've done your MBA, and then I see all your photos in all the suits, looking all good and dapper and all. But what I really see in my mind's image is the Nattu in a ganji, the white ganji and the white pajama. I've seen you so many times in that, that amazing dress that, no matter what you dress externally, that's the image I see in my mind. So anyways, aur kya? I have so many, fun memories of us playing that Atari game, that you had, that cricket, on the whatever video console that we used to play, and so on. And then we played such a big role in each other's lives. I remember hearing the endless conversations about how much you used to like Snehal, and फिर उसको कैसे propose करना है, ये वो. By the way, which you decided to propose like right before her important exam. So good job on the timing, man. And by the way, जो landmark forum में भी मैंने ही डलवाया था, याद है कि नहीं? Similarly, I know you played a big role in my life. I remember that dinner with you and Snehal on December 31st, 2003, when thankfully I came to know of that prank, and it was a prank, and then you both shared some good news, which was exciting. But in that same dinner, I remember that you both helped me, had a big change in my personal life, and you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, good stuff, good times, and, enjoy your, 40th birthday. It must be feeling so old to be 40 years old. I can't relate to that. I'm still in my 30s and young and handsome. So kya kare? And, you should definitely make it special for Snehal and Shomili. They work super hard. And by the way, your daughter is super talented, man. Like, I feel like we all need to take some classes from her. I feel I've learned so much about like all this, video editing skills from her. So super smart girl. And again, have fun. Chal, bye.
Are Sushant, how much paper you're wasting, man? Why are you leaving one row in between? This is not a handwriting competition. Kyaku, 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 kyaku. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, a happy 40th birthday. This is a huge milestone. I think the only thing you've not achieved is getting into IIT, which I'm sure you will get into over the next 5 to 10 years. But on a more serious note, I think you've had a very, very inspirational life. You've been an inspiration for a lot of us. And I really wish you all the best. Hope you enjoy this day with your family. And please get your own watermelon and don't take it from my plate. Cheers, bye.
सुशांत, मैं तुम्हारे लिए 2 लाइन लिखा है। शांति के खोज में सुशांत मिला, विनय भरी नयन मीठी वाणी से सजा, सुशांत है न्यारा सबका प्यारा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you, Sushant.
हाय नटेश्वर, नटुराम. मराठीत बोलणं मित्र जरा अवघड आहे. आय टॉक इन इंग्लिश मॅन. ते लेक्चर्स वगैरे देऊन जरा बोलणं अवघड झालं रे मराठीमध्ये. इंग्लिश इज सिम्पलर, यू नो. सी, what I can remember is you have been in my class right from my childhood days. But I think we never were together as such, right? Acquaintance was not that frequent. Mainly acquaintance whatever we started getting more friendly and what all was in 9th or 10th. When I started coming to your building for gym, I used to walk to the gym or cycle to the gym in Talwalkar. You remember? Yeah. See, that time we were the later sort of we started getting more acquainted. I came to your house. I remember playing video games. Mom and dad, Aye Baba, were very cordial with me as always. Especially Aye, she has an ever shining smile, which I still remember very well. And later than our Saputara trip, Karthik, Ronil, I remember that Ronil's tight slap in the morning tight one. You must be remembering, yeah. We still make jokes of it whenever we meet. And cricket memories, man, everlasting, na. तुझी बैटिंग करायची स्टाईल, यू आर ट्राइंग टू मिमिक Sachin Tendulkar, especially after getting out to me, and then trying to pack up your gloves, trying to pack up your bat. Yeah. Then I remember we were after 10th and 12th, till 12th we were quite very near to each other and all. But after MBBS, your wife was in my college or with me along with Abhishek Gotadki. So we were dissection partners right from that time. So Snehal and you being together is a nice icing on the cake. Nice thing for me to hear at that time also. Still I think it is a wonderful thing which has happened to both of you guys. जाऊ दे, बायकोचं काय बोलायचं मित्र. स्नेहलला जाऊ दे बाजूला ठेवूया. It's your birthday, man. Happy birthday to you. And wish you many more and many more. Chal, bye. Take care, man.
Hey, hi Natya. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Club 40, welcome. Big milestone in this crazy 2020 year. But kya bole? That's how time flies, right? But nevertheless, it's a amazing friendship that we guys have been able to carry on since school days. We've been able to stay in touch. Thanks to technology, even though we're far off, at least we guys are all still able to catch up. And the Pushpi gang and all, right? So, congratulations once again on the milestone. And enjoy your day. Bye.
Renato, wishing you a happy 40th birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great decade ahead. Hope we all meet soon and have your favorite butter chicken. Once again, happy birthday and welcome to the 40 वाला club.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
A week back, I get a call from Shomili from Snehal's mobile asking me that you need to record a video of 2 minutes minimum and share it with me so that we can collate and give it to Sushant on his birthday. So here is where I am recording the video for you on the 40th birthday for you. So गालियाँ बोलने की इच्छा बहुत है, बट गाली बोलूँगा नहीं मैं ज़्यादा. मेघल मेरे को घूर के देख रही है जैसे कि मैं बहुत गाली बोलता हूँ दिन भर घर पे. बट all said and done, few memories I want to share it with you. Of course, the time when we have met first in college, from the first year engineering to the date, it is all have been a very emotional connect with you always. And from the days when you were doing Landmark Forum in Churchgate, I remember you were taken all of us to also see how it is and what it is. It was a wonderful experience. From those days to studying at your place, doing masti at your place, staying awake late night, getting all of us together, it was always a fun. I don't remember any day when we used to be away from home, but then we never felt that we are away from home. तो काफ़ी एंजॉय किया, काफ़ी कमीनापंती भी किया, काफ़ी जोलजाल किया, काफ़ी गोलमाल किया, बहुत इश्यूज किए, बट इट ऑल फन विद कीर्ति. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कीर्ति बिकॉज ऑफ वेरियस रीजंस. एंड मेरा उसको गाली देना, रोबोटिक्स पढ़ाना, इट वाज ऑल फन. We traveled together several places, we went together several places, and it was all fun. I still have that emotional connect which I cannot forget. While being in Infosys as well, I've been always helped by you. So I all remember everything very well, and I will not take much long. 2 minute हो गए मेरे खत्म, तो मैं बर्थडे विश करूँगा. Happy birthday. Here is Meghal also wishing you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sushant.
And I will ask Vamika as well. उसकी क्लास चालू है, बट उसको भी मैं बर्थडे विश करने के लिए बोलता हूँ.
Okay, so by this is the short story about an ant, how they invented we. Okay.
उसका क्लास चालू है, बट मैंने फिर भी विश करवा लिया उससे. ठीक है, चल have fun, take care, and hopefully we'll meet soon after this corona and everything goes away. तब तक के लिए enjoy, take care buddy, bye bye.
Hey Sushant, how are you? Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. My memories of you go back to the second year of our engineering. When I first met you, you were this introvert, shy kid who minded his own business. But then probably it was the third year or the fourth year when you went into this Landmark Forum, and as for me, that was really the landmark of your life. And you turned from this introvert kid into the sushi darling, really, of our B division, right? And that was amazing. And the most thing, I've always admired about you, this thing that your sheer determination and your hard work, which has brought you, a lot of laurels throughout your life. These qualities of you have always, amazed me, and something. It's just an aspiration for me to be able to, have those qualities. And these qualities help you do excellent in engineering, and you landed your first stint with Infosys, then you went on to do IIM, and I was very proud. I used to tell everyone I have a friend who is in IIM, and then now you are with your second stint in Infosys. So we wish you all the best with all your work that you're doing. Again, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Welcome to this club of 40s. I hope I get to welcome you to the club of 50s, the club of 60s, the club of 70s, and really hope that our friendship continues this way, and we all grow and age together, and it just goes on. Wishing you a very happy birthday once again. Have a great day.
Hi Sushant, Janamdin Mubarak ho. Welcome to the 40s club. So many wonderful memories कॉलेज में तेरे साथ है. यादें तेरे घर पे आते थे पढ़ाई के बहाने, बट इन दी एंड सिर्फ गप्पे मारते थे, पप्पू की खींचते थे, और आंटी के हाथ का मस्त चिकन खाते थे। सो तू और तन्ना पहले पढ़ते थे, सिंप्लीफाई करके फिर हमको पढ़ाते थे। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल दोज वंडरफुल मेमोरीज। हैव अ फैंटास्टिक इवनिंग। हम लोग थोड़े टाइम से टच में नहीं है, बट आई एम श्योर नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी मिलेंगे इट विल बी लाइक ओल्ड टाइम्स। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन माय फ्रेंड, टेक केयर, बाय।
Hey Sushant, I was eagerly waiting for your birthday with an espresso martini. Welcome to the 40s and a happy birthday.
Hi Sushant, happy birthday. Welcome to the 40s. As they say, 40s is the new 30s. You'll have more fun and more energy in your 40s than your 30s. और तू हमेशा सबको व्हाट्सएप पे सबसे पहले तू विश करता है, आज हम तुझे विश करेंगे। इंडिया भी जब आता हूँ तो हमेशा मिलता है, एफर्ट करता है, थैंक्स फॉर दैट। बहुत सारी यादें थे घर पे, हम लोग पढ़ाई करते थे, पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा तो हम लोग खाने जाते थे। वो कोई तो पान वाला था सामने, फ्रिज में से पान निकल रहा था, दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हैड ठंडा पान। फिर वो डोसा वाला भी था, बहुत सारी वैरायटी के डोसा थे, ग्रिल सैंडविच और अचीचा की पाव भाजी, लॉट ऑफ गुड मेमोरीज। और याद है तू एक बार मेरी गाड़ी चलाई थी, तूने बोला था, क्या ड्राइवर ने बोला है फर्स्ट गियर में ही चलाने की गाड़ी, जब तक कंट्रोल में ना आए तब तक। कॉलेज के बाहर निकल गया था तो फर्स्ट गियर में ही था, अभी भी ऐसे चला रहा है गाड़ी। ठीक है, चल, हैप्पी बर्थडे, एंजॉय एंड हैव अ नाइस डेकेड।
Hi Sushant, many happy returns of the day. I hope you have a wonderful celebration on your 40th birthday. I'm so glad Snehal and Shamili are doing something special for you, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. I have so many memories of spending time at your place, studying first and then a lot of time passed. And then memories of final year when we were doing the project, going to Kurla, and the main attraction there was the Bhel Puri wala and the Meethi Puri after that. I have so many other memories, and I know you've become so mature now, but I do kind of miss that nautanki from college that you did. Anyways, looking forward to meeting you when I come to India next year, and then going out to eat yummy food from Ghatkopar. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Hi Sushant, many happy returns of the day. It's a very special day for you, and I hope you have the most fun-filled birthday. Thank you.
दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन, दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन, दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा, हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ।
So Sushant was part of my study group at IIM Ahmedabad, and the cumulative tension of all 5 of us in the group was taken by only Sushant. And despite all the tension, he was always calm, smiling, and extremely hardworking. So Sushant, तू असाच राहा, शांत, calm, happy, आणि तुला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. Wish you a very happy birthday and a healthy and fit life ahead.
Happy birthday, Mundu.
Hi Sushant, wish you a very happy birthday and wish you an excellent 40th. You know, people say that men get naughty at 4040, and you have been just the opposite of it always. You have been such a good boy, very helpful, kind, always ready to meet and help people. So I hope that you get a little bit of naughty starting from your 40th birthday. So all the best, buddy.
प्रिय मित्र सुशांत उर्फ मुंडू यास वाढदिवसाच्या लाख शुभेच्छा. मित्रा, तू 40 वर्षाचा कधी झालास हे कळालंच नाही, आणि उत्तर तू अशीच तुझ्या कामामध्ये प्रगती करो आणि तुला यश लाभत राहो हीच आमची परमेश्वराचरणी सदिच्छा. मुंबईत आल्यावर निवांत भेट घेऊन तुझ्याकडनं पार्टी तर घेईलच. तोपर्यंत एन्जॉय दिस मोमेंट अँड व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे फॉर यू.
हाय मुंडू, मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. 40 इयर्सचा झाला यार तो आता, म्हणजे मेजर माइलस्टोन डेफिनेटली. तर डेफिनेटली चांगले सेलिब्रेशन चालू असतील. आपली भेट तर अहमदाबादमध्येच झाली होती आणि वी वर पार्ट ऑफ द सेम स्टडी ग्रुप. आय थिंक इट वॉज अ ग्रेट ग्रुप डेफिनेटली. आणि आय रिमेंबर यू ॲज समवन ट्रस्टवर्दी, रिलायबल, सिन्सिअर, व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस अबाउट स्टडीज एज वेल. आणि इतक्या वेळा आपण रात्री 2, 3, 4 वाजेपर्यंत प्रोजेक्ट्स करायचो. अँड आय डिस्टिंक्टली रिमेंबर की यू आर द वन हू यूज टू हॅव अ कूल हेड. जेव्हा सगळ्यांनी गिवअप केलं असेल तर जस्ट लेट्स कम्प्लीट द टास्क, लेट्स फिनिश इट. आणि ऑफकोर्स राईट नाव यू आर डुईंग व्हेरी व्हेरी वेल. आय एम सो हॅपी फॉर यू. आणि घरी पण सगळे चांगले आहेत. डेफिनेटली गुड टू नो अबाउट ऑल दिस. कुडोज टू स्नेहल एज वेल. अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव्ह. आय होप दिस टर्न्स आउट टू बी अ गुड सरप्राईज फॉर यू. आपण लवकरच आणि नक्कीच भेटू. बट राईट नाव हॅव अ ग्रेट डे अँड अ ग्रेट इयर अहेड अँड सी यू व्हेरी सून. बाय.
Few people who exude the kind of warmth which Mundu does. We have not met so often. On those few birthday parties or Ganpati Bandas or that occasional down meet which we had, it just doesn't seem to age. I mean, that's a quality which will definitely take him far. So why 40? I mean, I keep saying that 40 is a new 16. So go on, have a great day. And let's have that down meet soon.
Hi Mundu, happy 40th birthday. देखते देखते टाइम पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया. गाड़ी भी थोड़ी सफ़ेद हो गई है. एंड माई फेवरेट मेमोरी विद यू इज दैट यू आर ऑलवेज सो इंटरेस्टेड इन प्लेइंग समथिंग इन द डॉम rather than studying, that every time I had to, I got up at 4 or I got bored studying, I used to just check कि ये मुंडू है टीटी खेलेगा और बीडी है टीटी खेलेगा. You two were very very active. अपन डॉम रूम में क्रिकेट भी खेलते थे और कैरम तो था ही, ठीक है, जो ज़्यादा हमको इंटरेस्ट नहीं करता था. वेरी चेयरफुल पर्सन, वेरी नाइस पर्सन. हम लोग साथ में रोते थे जब हमारे ग्रेड्स खराब आते थे. एंड कैंटीन के बाहर अपना लंबा चाट टॉक्स और ये सब याद आता है. सो हैव अ ग्रेट 40th बर्थडे एंड हैव ग्रेट फन एंड होप वी मीट समटाइम सून. पैंडेमिक खत्म हो, कुछ प्लान करना पड़ेगा. सबका ही पेंट अप पार्टीज पेंडिंग है, ठीक है. ओके बाय.
मुंडू कैसा है दोस्त? विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी 40th. होप यू हैव अ ग्रेट डे विद फैमिली. Also hope to see you sometime, probably next time when we are in Bombay or you guys come to London. And we can also settle who's the better table tennis player, the two of us. Take care and very happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Mundu! Satak here. Hope you're doing well and aging well. And I hope you stop listening to Khwaja Mere Khwaja at high volumes. Have a great day ahead.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock.
Hey Sushant, Snehal told me that you're celebrating your 40th birthday. Congratulations on this milestone and joining this elite group of 40 plus. We probably met back in 2016 when in Starbucks car, when you were evaluating Infosys and we were considering your profile. Since then, we've come a long way. We've had some exciting wins. We've met some demanding client tasks. We've had our ups and downs as part of the business, but you stuck it out. You had meaningful contribution to the company, and hope you found the journey rewarding. Since this is a personal occasion, I would like to again thank you for all your contributions. Thanks your family for all the support, and wish you all a life full of health, happiness, and success. Thank you once again.
Hi Sushant, wish you a very happy 40th. Always be the genuine person that you are and have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Sushant, wish you a very very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. It was always a pleasure discussing office and cricket with you from the very little time that you could find from office work. So I hope now in the coming year and months you will not only find more time for family but also for friends like me and others, and maybe you could cut down on your time for office. Anyway, those great going, have a great time and enjoy. Thank you.
Hi Sushant, happy 40th birthday to you. Wish you a very healthy and successful life ahead. We have known each other for over 15 years. In fact, we have opened batting together many times. Continue playing in your front foot and be as aggressive as ever. Bye.
Dear Sushant, wish you a very happy birthday. 40 is a great landmark to achieve, and being together with a beautiful family, it's a different sort of feel. I very often remain envious of you, the way you handle situations and the energy that you bring. And we haven't got chance to talk a lot in last few months, but I count on your advices a lot. Wish you a very happy birthday again, and here's a song for you. तुम जियो हजारों साल and साल के दिन हो 1000. Thank you.
Age is just a number. Stay healthy and wealthy. Wishing you a fabulous year ahead. Happy 40th birthday, Sushant. Time to get naughty at 40.
Hi Sushant, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and great year ahead. May your all dreams come true. Stay blessed.
हे हाय सुशांत, विश यू व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी बर्थडे आणि वाढदिवसाच्या आजच्या दिवसाला आपल्याला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. होप युअर न्यू 40s आर लाईक युअर न्यू 30s. हॅव अ ग्रेट डे, हॅव अ नाईस टाइम, and sorry for keeping you busy on your birthday with some stupid meetings and all. Apologies for that. And Snehal, we would also like to see the overall surprise that you're planning for Sushant. Bye Sushant, have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Sushant, my boss. I wish you a great happy birthday and wish you all the success, glory and luck in your life and in coming year. So, and by the way, I'm really proud to be part of your team. Happy birthday.
Hi Sushant, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for being such a great guide and a great mentor, and for tolerating my mistakes and guiding me in the right direction. May God bless you with good health, lots of love and happiness. Have a great year ahead. Enjoy your day. Take care.